on, dollface, fill it up. It's coffee. You can buy more.
Quit stealing my... Mom?
Back off, Jimbo. One more step and I'm gonna set the inside of his head on frappe.
Magnetize! Ah! You nincompoop!
General Pandemonium, how do you plead?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out.